Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today's recipe is the delectable and distinctive fish curry, the Malabar fish curry. This traditional Kerala style fish curry is fully cooked in coconut milk and flavored with the nutrient rich Malabar tamarind or kudampuli. Also note that Malabar tamarind helps in weight reduction. So quickly Google search as to how to use kudampuli for reducing your weight. Now come, let's go ahead with our fish curry preparation. For making the Malabar fish curry, the important ingredient is Malabar tamarind or kudampuli. I have taken 4 numbers of them and never miss them because they will give a very distinctive flavor to the gravy, a smoky flavor. And you can soak them in hot water for about 30 minutes and keep them aside. Now let's start making the masala paste for the gravy, for which I've taken quarter cup of shallots. If you don't get shallots, you can use the regular onion also. And 4 green chillies and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, followed by 3 to 4 pinches of Asafoetida powder. Never add water, just grind them to a thick paste. Now our masala paste is ready. You can keep them aside. And I've taken 100 grams of coconut for grinding and 200 grams of coconut for extracting coconut milk, because the fishes are going to be cooked in coconut milk. Now take a kadai and add quarter cup of oil. Coconut oil is a must. And once the oil gets heated, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, followed by half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of split urad dal. And once the urad dal turns brown in color, you can add some curry leaves. But coconut oil is a must for this gravy. That gives a unique flavor for this gravy, so never skip it. To this add chopped shallots, 1 cup, and saute till they turn golden brown, and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. When you add turmeric powder, the flame should be low, otherwise they will get burnt. Now to this add the ground masala paste, followed by quarter cup of coconut oil, and cook till the masala lose their raw smell. Do it over a slow flame. Now add ground coconut paste and followed by 1 cup of water, and cook for a while till they lose their raw smell, and do it over a slow flame so that they don't get burnt. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add salt according to your taste. Now cook for some time. Now I'm going to add 500 grams of seer fish. I had washed them and marinated them with 2 tablespoons of vinegar. This is to prevent the raw smell from the fishes. Now cover with a lid and cook till the fishes are half done. Don't cook them fully. Now you can just open the lid and check whether they are done. Now you can see they are half done but not fully done. At this point of time, add the soaked Malabar tamarind and followed by 400 ml of coconut milk, which we had extracted from 200 grams of coconut, and add some coriander leaves and let the fishes get cooked in this coconut milk till they become soft. Cover with a lid and cook. Now you can just open and check they are done. Add some 2 green chillies, 2 to 3 green chillies. Just slit them and add, and adjust the salt according to your taste. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt again. Now it is done. The fishes are cooked. Now you can remove the tamarinds from the gravy to prevent extra sourness in the gravy, because if you leave them in the gravy for a long time, the entire gravy may turn sour. So to avoid that, we're doing it. Now switch off the stove and we can start tempering. Take a tadka pan and add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds you add, and quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds, and quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, and quarter teaspoon of split urad dal and curry leaves. Now add 1 tablespoon of chopped shallots and cook till they turn brown, and add them to the curry. Now our yummy-licious and flavorful Malabar fish curry is ready to be served. Serve it hot with steamed rice or dosa or appam. Friends, try this recipe and let me know your feedback. Thank you all very much for watching this video. With lots of love, Sana Kuram.